Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing Jowar Roti recipe. Jowar is rich in vitamins, minerals, protein and dietary fiber. 1 cup of jowar has 22 grams of protein and it is also rich in iron and vitamin B1. It helps to control blood sugar levels and helps to maintain calcium levels in your body. So always try to include seasonal grains like jowar in your diet. Jowar helps to cool your body naturally. So it's a must have in your diet in the summer. Jowar roti is rich in vitamin B1, iron and fiber. A healthy roti in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I bought jowar flour locally here in Calicut. You can also get it online. Now into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup of jowar flour, 1/4 cup whole wheat flour, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and I'm mixing this really well with my fingers. And then I'm adding in 3/4 cup hot boiling water, and with a wooden spoon mix this really well. Since jowar is gluten free, you need to add hot water to activate gluten. Also the wheat flour I'm using is locally milled, hence no added gluten in it. Now press the dough and allow it to cool down. Once it has cooled down and is still warm, knead it with your hand. Sprinkle in warm water in between kneading and knead the dough into a smooth dough. Now take a small dough and knead it again and flatten it and coat it with whole wheat flour. Roll it out into a round roti. Since the jowar does not contain any gluten, it is slightly difficult to roll it out into a neat round shape, especially on the sides. So I am pressing it with the rim of a steel tiffin box to give it a nice round shape, and remove the extra dough from the sides and use it to make another roti. Place the roti onto a hot cast iron tawa, and once small bubbles starts to come, flip it over, and after about 30 seconds flip it again. Press down with a spatula, and once the roti is cooked it will start to puff up. Drizzle in 1/4 teaspoon of desi ghee for better assimilation of vitamins and minerals. Once cooked, transfer to a plate and repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. And guys, last summer I had shared a jowar roti recipe without wheat flour. Links will be updated at the end card. Do check it out if you want a gluten-free jowar roti recipe. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.